Hello friends, welcome to 𝒍𝒐𝒏𝒕 Design. In today's video, we're going to create this beautiful and eye-catching design, and I'll be showing you, step by step, exactly how you can make this same design inside CorelDRAW. Throughout this tutorial, I'll be teaching you everything you need to know so that you can easily and professionally create this design on your own. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video and get started. So, first of all, we need to import a few pictures into our workspace. To do that, simply right-click on the empty space and then click on Import. All the images that you can see here on the screen, I've already shared their download links in the description below, so you can easily download them and follow along. So first, I'm going to import both of these pictures into the document. After importing, I'll press P on my keyboard. This will automatically bring the image perfectly to the center of the page. Next, I'll carefully adjust it to fit nicely on the page. Then, I'll double-click on the rectangle tool, and as soon as I do that, a rectangle will automatically appear around the entire page. Now, I'll fill this rectangle with a beautiful color, and after that, I'll remove its outline completely. Once that's done, I'll use the transparency tool to apply a soft transparency effect to it, which will give it a nice blended background look. Next, I'll take this image and adjust it neatly at the top of the page. I'll also apply a little bit of transparency to this picture as well, just to make it blend more naturally with the background. Then, I'll import another image and place it slightly above the airplane area. Again, I'll apply a small amount of transparency for a smooth blending effect. After that, I'll bring in this building image and position it nicely in this section of the design. In this way, I'll continue arranging and adjusting all of these images together perfectly on the page. Now, I'll move on to importing these three new pictures. First of all, I'll adjust this first one properly into place. Then I'll open up the transparency tool, click on the normal mode, and switch it to screen mode. You'll immediately notice that this creates a beautiful, soft lighting effect on the image. After that, I'll adjust the next two pictures as well. I'll select both of them together, then go up to the Effects menu, Open Blur, and choose Motion Blur. Now I'll zoom in a little bit so we can see it clearly, and I'll increase the motion distance to give it a more dynamic and realistic look. Once I'm satisfied with the effect, I'll go ahead and close the Docker. Next, I'll import another set of three pictures. First, I'll adjust this mountain image right here in the composition. Then I'll go to Effects, open 3D Effects, and click on Emboss. Here, I'll slightly reduce the depth and level values to make the effect more subtle. Now, using the pen tool, I'll pick a color directly from the image and apply it to replace the current color of the mountain. I'll make this new color a bit darker to create stronger contrast and depth. After that, I'll click on the plus icon, go back to the blur menu, and once again select motion blur. This time, I'll slightly increase the motion distance to make the blur effect more pronounced. Once I'm happy with it, I'll close the docker. Now, using the shape tool, I'll carefully adjust the mountain's position and shape so it fits nicely on the page. After that, I'll import the bird's image and place it beautifully in this area of the design. Then, I'll select all the objects together and group them to keep everything organized. Next, I'll double-click on the rectangle tool once again to create another rectangle that perfectly fits the page size. I'll bring this rectangle to the front by pressing Page Up on the keyboard. Then, I'll bring in this leaf image and position it neatly here. I'll right-click on it and choose Power Clip to place it inside the rectangle. After that, I'll paste it there and adjust it properly on the other side as well, so it looks balanced. Once everything is set in place, I'll select all the objects and remove their outlines for a cleaner look. Next, I'll go to Edit, and then select both of these leaf elements. Under the Effects menu, I'll go again to Blur, choose Motion Blur, and slightly increase the distance to create a soft, natural edge. After applying the effect, I'll click on Finish to confirm the changes. Now, I'll select the text tool and type in my text right here on the page. After typing, I'll take a moment to adjust its position nicely. Then, I'll press Ctrl+K to break the text apart into separate pieces. I'll also change its font style to something more bold and attractive. After that, I'll slightly rotate the text and adjust it into the perfect position. Using the pen tool, I'll pick a new color and apply it to the text to make it stand out. Then, I'll add a soft shadow effect to give the text a bit of depth. I'll reduce the shadow's feathering slightly and increase the opacity to make the effect more visible and impactful. Now, since I want to apply this same shadow style to all of the text, I'll use the Attribute Eyedropper tool. In the options, I'll make sure the shadow box is checked. Then, using the pen tool, I'll select this shadow style and apply it to all the remaining text elements. Finally, I'll select everything on the page and right-click to group all the elements together, completing the final layout. So, how does this travel flyer poster design look to you? If you enjoyed it and want to learn more interesting and creative flyer designs just like this one, make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay updated with all the latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.